Curious about how a charged-off debt can still grow? You might be surprised by the answer. Yes, charged-off debt can still accrue interest and fees, and understanding this could be a game changer for your financial well-being. When debt is charged off, it's simply considered a loss by the creditor, but your obligation to pay doesn't vanish. Based on your original credit agreement, you might continue to get billed for interest and fees. This can burden your financial circumstance as the balance keeps growing. Ignoring a charged-off debt won't solve the issues. In fact, addressing it directly opens avenues for solutions. Reach out to the creditor or the collection agency to explore repayment strategies. You could potentially negotiate a settlement or devise a manageable payment plan. Don't let a charged-off debt ruin your credit score or your financial stability. Act now to prevent your debt from ballowing out of control. Arm yourself with knowledge. Take decisive action and fearlessly pursue your financial stability. If managing this seems daunting, don't worry. Connect with a professional consultant who can guide you through this crucial process. Your future self will definitely thank you on this journey towards financial freedom.